समझ रहे हो आप?
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप आप जहाँ भी होंगे अच्छे होंगे। आज बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है। वी आर गोइंग टू प्लेस कॉल्ड किहिम बीच विच इज़ अबाउट 100 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम मुंबई और बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल बीच है। हम ऑन द वे बाइक का रिव्यूज़ भी करते हैं, होंडा Hness CB350 का, और बीच भी देखते हैं। So without delaying further, let's jump straight into it. And before that, if you like the video, do subscribe the channel, press the like button. मुझे खुशी होगी आपके लिए और भी ऐसे वीडियोस लेके आऊँ। So without delaying further, let's jump straight into it.
A few moments later.
Hey friends, welcome back. Just look at this. Just look at this highway, friends. What a beauty. इससे कोई अच्छी चीज़ हो सकती है संसार में? such a beautiful highway. This is Mumbai-Goa highway. Just look at the hills in the backdrop. Okay friends, so we are now going to a place called Kihim beach. Kihim, K-I-H-I-M, and this is basically on the a little detour from Mumbai-Goa highway near Alibag. Last time मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया था, that beach was Warsoli and this beach is Kihim, and this is also a very good beach and बहुत मज़ा आएगा. Oh brother, without helmet, not good. He's cutting lane without knowing. This guy is wearing helmet. Good. Okay friends, we just took a detour from Mumbai-Goa highway onto an Alibag highway or a Kihim highway. Out of traffic today. So it's a good season to go to beaches, right? Because now it's going to get hotter in a month's time. So a lot of Mumbaikars now head towards beaches. उसके बाद तो नहीं जा पाएंगे. So you know that's why you see this traffic here. And because there are also many beaches around this area in 60-70 kilometers के radius में, so effectively ये पूरी traffic distribute हो जाती है across various beaches, but approach road एक ही है. That's why you see so much of. Look at this traffic, by God, almost half a kilometer से तो मैं cross कर रहा हूँ. You know, this is one good reason to ride a motorcycle. Imagine if I was on a car. अभी तक तो मैं आधा किलोमीटर पीछे होता था. बाइक में आपको ये एडवांटेज है. दिस एक्चुअली शुड गो इनटू माय रीजंस व्हाई आई राइड अ बाइक. मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया था. ओह माय गॉड. तो उसमें ये जानी चाहिए, नो, व्हाई आई राइड अ बाइक, बिकॉज दिस इज़ सो कन्वीनियंट. यू नो, यू कैन जस्ट, दिस बाइक इज़ सो ब्यूटिफुल. यू नो, इट्स लाइक इट्स स्विमिंग इन द वाटर. It's like fish swimming in the water, you know. It's just maneuvering through the traffic so effortlessly, so easily, you know. I'm almost on the edge of the road there. Superb. Only this bike can do it. Trust me, Hness can. I'm sure other bikes can also do it, but this bike does it even more efficiently. Look at this traffic, my God. Last 1 kilometer हो गया अभी. Imagine if I was in a car. Oh my God. I would have turned back. Look at this. Wow. मज़ा आ गया. Okay, so now we just took another detour from main Alibag road onto the beach road. I usually call this as a beach road, you know. Village road would not be appropriate, but a beach road is. And these roads, I just love them, you know, because they are so open. They're so clean, very less traffic, almost negligible traffic, because here you only find people who coming here, who live here, or tourists, you know. Tourists also going to that specific beach, right? There is no other beach that you can go to from these small last mile roads to the beach. You know, so these are very narrow beaches. These are very narrow roads heading into or opening up to a huge ocean, you know, so to say. And houses, you know, they're so well painted, you know, इतने अच्छे लगते हैं ना घर. It's lovely, you know, it's lovely. Oh, that house had a tulsi का पेड़, तुलसी का छोटा प्लांट था उसके घर के बाहर. I wish I could have stopped and showed, took a photo, but चलो next time देखेंगे. But lot of houses have these tulsi ka plant outside their door, you know, very nice and very nicely painted. It's good to see, you know. And road bhi pura blocks ka hai, you know, unlike the tar roads which usually get broken. Ye thoda patch hai tar ka, but that entire stretch was all blocks, so very nice. People are walking here, you know, so in fact it's, you know, if you come overnight, stay here, you can spend a good time on the beach in the evening and then take a good walk on these roads, you know, after your dinner in one of these shacks. Why do you want to go to Goa, yaar, when you have so much of beauty and amazing things to do here? कहाँ है खीम भाई, कितनी देर से left right. I think now we are finally here. yeah, I can see the horizon. So this is Kihim beach, this is the entrance. Okay, wow, they have a good parking space also. Yeah, imagine I'm coming here for the first time, lived my whole life in Mumbai. I'm going to take this bike to as close as possible to the beach to show you. Very nice, all full of palm trees, lot of shade here, you know, you can actually sit, and they have a benches. That's great, icing on the cake. I just love benches on the shore. You can just sit here for an hour, eat food, drink coconut water. That guy is looking at me. Don't worry brother, मैं थोड़ा बीच पे जाके आता हूँ, फिर साथ में बैठ के coconut water पियेंगे. I'm going to sit here for a good 1 hour. Very peaceful, very beautiful, very windy also. Let me just park my bike. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful, you know. Of course, गोवा जिसको जाना है वो जा सकता है. गोवा की खुद की खूबसूरती है. I'm just saying, in case if you are मुंबईकर्स जिनको टाइम कम है, they can come to these beautiful unexplored beaches, you know, around Mumbai. Okay, so let me just remove some of my riding gears and then we'll head on to the beach. Lot of school going, not school or college going, actually they probably are working in some office together. All colleagues have come, boys and girls have come to enjoy the beach. Okay, let's head on to the beach now. I'm not going to go through the main gate. I'll just use this kacha road too. Okay, this is your beach, friends. Very clean, very clean. काफी water sports किया. This is lovely Kihim beach for you. Just have a look at it. Lot of water sports activities here. Let me just take you to the water. It's a long walk because again today, like Varsoli in my previous video, even today it's a low tide, so the waves are very small and very far away from the shore, but very beautiful, you know. It's afternoon, it's nearing afternoon, but I don't feel any heat. Very nice. See the small tiny waves of the Arabian Sea. Very clean, very neat and clean. Let me just take a backup photo. I have a GoPro on, but I just want to take a backup picture or a video. मुझे बताना फ्रेंड्स कमेंट करके आपको कैसा लगा. very nice. ये हाई टाइड होता था ना तो यू वुड हैव सीन दीज वेव्स ऑलमोस्ट ऑफ 3 feet 2 feet टॉल, यू नो, ऑलमोस्ट आपकी नी वेस्ट लाइन तक आपको हिट करती है वेव्स हाई टाइड में। बट अभी लो टाइड है तो आपको और बहुत आगे जाना पड़ेगा टू विटनेस बिगर वेव्स। लॉट ऑफ फैमिलीज आर हियर। ओके, लेट्स हेड बैक, ईट समथिंग एंड अगेन कम बैक हियर। दिस इज़ वो साइकिल देखी मैंने बीचेस पे, साइकिल, ये बीच पे साइकिल्स रखा हुआ है विच इज़ वंडरफुल, यू नो। ये 2-seater साइकिल है जो वो मूवी में थी ना, शान में प्रवीण बॉबी और वो अमिताभ, शशि कपूर एंड देन हीरोइन, आई ऑलवेज फॉरगेट दैट हीरोइंस नेम। वो डबल डेकर बस से ऊपर से उनको गिराते हैं। नाइस टू हैव साइकिल्स, यू नो। ऑफ कोर्स यू नीड अ हार्ड सैंड टू राइड देम। Okay, let me just eat. I'm going to eat a very spicy missile today. I don't want to eat anything. Yeah, they have a pani puri, they have a Maggi, and I'm happy that they don't have a big restaurants here. You know, sometimes it's lovely to eat on these small shacks.
अभी खाने में क्या है? मिसल।
Okay, missile दे दो।
एक इधर बैठो क्या? बैठो।
Okay, so he's saying sit here, but I said no, I'm going to sit on those benches. I'm going to sit on these benches and watch the beach and then eat my missile and a coconut water. Beautiful. Let me just, finally I'm sitting here. I'm not going to get up for another 1 hour from here. What a beautiful. ओके फ्रेंड्स, सो आई होप आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा। अगर अच्छा लगा तो लाइक करना, शेयर करना और सब्सक्राइब करना, और मुझे कमेंट करके बताना आपको कैसा लगा। एंड सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट, टेक केयर एंड बाय।